Welcome guys to our next example. This example number 2. Sorry if you are just subscribing to our YouTube channel. You are free, and we are appealing to you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and listen keenly as we go through solving the problem in this particular diagram. So we have to analyze the given data within this particular triangle. Within the particular cycle. This is the second phase of our cycle theorem. We have solved the first phase and we are on the second phase, right? So this is the second phase, and it goes like this, right? We are noticing that we have cycle and we have a triangle within here, right? Now the question said that we should calculate the side of BAD, right? So let's calculate the side of BAD. That make a whole triangle. Now before we solve this problem, let us go strictly into the data. Let us collect our data as we solve this problem to make the question more easier. So we know that B C, D, and don't forget in our previous video, I told you that the middle variable is always the angle, right? So don't forget about that. So now B, C, D is equals to what? 150. Now we're saying this C is equal to 150, right? So B, C, D is equal to 150 degrees. Now with that, we also know that BC is equal to CD. It is the radius, right? Now, we know radius is midpoint of the cycle, right? Right. So we are given two radius here, right? One is this from C, yeah, from C to B and from C to D, right? There are two radii here, right? So we know that from this point, from C to B or from B to C is equal to from C to D. They are the same length. This our joint is now joined to scale, right? So we can say that C, we can say, let me say B of C is equals to C D, right? If BC is equal to CD, then that just means they are the what? The radius, right? They are the radius, both of them, right? Now, with that knowledge, we can go forward. We also know that AB AB and AD are the core, right? AB and AD, they are the core of this particular cycle. And in our first video, I show you the core in our first cycle. Now, I show you the core within this our cycle here. AB and AB, they are the core within our cycle. Now, the next thing for us to do here is we have to identify the angle. We know that BAD is equals to theta, right? Angle theta, right? So BAD, like I said, the A part is always your angle. It is the variable that is in the middle, right? It's always your angle, right? So it's angle theta, right? So now you're just going to calculate the size of angle BAD. So you're going to calculate the size of this angle, right? Now this is just easy. So we say the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? The angle at the center, the angle here at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So therefore, BAD can be BAD, we can use half of BAD to get the angle at that particular point, right? Because we are saying that at this point, and at this point, they came up to 150 degrees. So the rule says that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? So when they are twice, so it means to find BAD, to find this entire stuff, we have to divide 150 by 2. That is it, right? So we can say BAD is just equals to 150 divided by 2, right? This is a theorem, right? So if we divide 150 by 2, we're going to have 75 degrees. So BAD CBD going to give you what? 75 degree. Now this 75 degree, the whole other question, if you're going to give you this 75 degree, and then it says you should find this point C, you're going to multiply this 75 by 2. You're going to give you this 150, right? So that's why I say that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? So for this question, this is your answer. So the diagram doesn't matter. The diagram may seem complicated, but it's just easy. Whenever you are given the angle here, you're going to just divide it by 2, right? Okay, so I'll catch you in the next video. If you are just coming, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to promote us. See you in the next video, or sorry, see you in the next question as we go through this problem. So let's move to question number 2, right? 3, right? We are on question number 3. Question number 3 here, it says that we should calculate the size of the angle CAD, right? Calculating the size of angle CAD. Now, this is CAD. Many students at times see this question as very difficult because the drawing is very cumbersome and odious. When you see it at times, you think that it is very hard, but it's just a simple problem. It just studying, and this problem is always coming in a multiple choice, right? When you have to bring it in essay, you're going to make it more harder than this, but this just we just giving you the basic so you can use it and then solve more cycle problem, right? So when you are given problem like this, wherein and then you are seeing that it say that um it give you the angle for one side. As you are looking here, you are observing there is two different triangle in here, right? Within the same cycle. Now one side of the triangle is given as 45 degree, and here they're asking you to find here, which is what CAD. They want to make you to find. They want to ask you. Sorry, they're asking you to find angle theta. Now let us find our given data, then we can go on to solve this problem. Let us analyze this problem. So we know angle CBD, angle CBD, angle, because I want to capture this angle, right? Angle CBD is just equal to 47 degree, right? Like I said in our previous video, I said the middle variable is already angle, right? So B is 47, so CBD is equal to what? 47. Okay, we know that. Now the next thing is to identify our core. Now our core within this problem is AC and BD, right? This is our core. AC and BD. This our core, right? This is our core, right? So our core are AC and BD. They are our chords, right? They are our chords. So now with this, we know that we identify our chord within the cycle. Now the next thing we can do is to identify CAD, right? Is to find CAD. So we got to find the angle CAD, which of course is theta. We don't know, right? We don't know that angle. So we are asked to find it. Now this is it, right? It's saying that the angle CAD is the same tangent. The angle CAD is the same segment, right? If you look at this particular segment part, is resemble this stuff, right? So if you look at this segment here is equal to this segment. That's what we say. We can look at it and say that the angle CAD is the same. Is the same segment as the angle CBD, right? Does it make sense? Or CAD is the same segment as CBD, right? Because if you see this pattern, you know that the same thing on the side, the same is just a shadow, is the same thing on the side. Now, with that standing, we can also see that CAD is equal to CBD, right? Now, if that is it, then if CAD is equal to CBD, then that means your answer can be 4 now, right? Because we are asked to find CAD. So our our angle CAD can just be equals to 147 degree. So you see, some of these problems you are taking to be very difficult is very easy, very easy. Notwithstanding, because I gave you the foundation for this video, but the next video that will be uploaded on the same angle theorem, we're going to be solving complex problem on this cycle theorem, right? We just, for this video, we are just giving the foundation, but we have to solve more complex problem as it relates to this cycle theorem, right? So we're just giving you the foundation.